My name is Matt. Levi's behind the camera right there. And my brother Mitch is on the camera right now. And this is Bella. This is the little Bella doggo. And in this video we're going to be doing some ollies to get some feedback and a little learning moment if you're learning how to ollie. Okay, so if you're ollieing for the first few times, you want to get yourself some shoes with flat bottoms, such as Vans, whatever style you like. You know, I have the laces.
High top, laces.
Just something with flat bottoms. DC works well. Converse works well, and Adidas works well. You don't really want to stay away from those running shoes because they curve after you get out of the heel general area. They start curving and then you can't grip the skateboard, it doesn't stay on. I know from personal experience because every time I lifted the nose up, I would slide off the back and hurt my wrist or get my knees scraped. But that is a part of skateboarding. And then second, you want to find a spot where you can have a nice crack, such as cracks on the sidewalk, or we have our stepping stones right here.
Just get your wheels like that.
Where you want to put your wheels in the crack. And then third, you want a nice board with some slime ball wheels from Santa Cruz. You want Independence trucks, metal, black. They have them white. And then get whatever board fits well for you. Like Mitchell's board is a 8.8. It's an 8, and mine's an 8.25 because my feet are a little bigger and wider. So then, all you have to do is work on the ollieing part. So basically, what you want to do, you want to go on the board. You want to put your right foot in the middle, or if you're lefty, depending on which way you ride, or if you go this way, you want to put your left foot in the middle. So, then, you want to make sure you're nice and straight. Put your toe down to the ground pretty hard. We're just going slow this time. And then, if you're just beginning, you want to just jump, like that. Now, in fast motion, it will look like this. And once you get better, you can start going so that...
You're taking instructions from him.
Yeah.
What do you smell, Belle? Where are you? No, you can't have chocolate milk.
She just drank your chocolate milk, Levi.
Bella,
Hey,
you can't have chocolate milk.
That's illegal.
She drank the
We're gonna have to go to the vet now.
I feel like I'm sad.
Yes, Bella, bad girl.
So, when you get better at the ollie, you'll start to want to do this. Put your tail down. You rotate your foot. Slide it so it makes a scrape mark. And then you rotate it again. Put it down and release pressure on that foot after that point. And then you want to work on ollieing without the cracks and while moving. And then you want to get it so you can ollie up onto a rail. We're all not good enough to do that yet, so it's pretty sad.
So basically, when you ollie, you want to do this. And when you do that hard enough and you jump, your wheels will be kind of like that. And as you can see, back wheels are up. But your whole board isn't completely up. But soon enough, you'll learn how to ollie like that straight. And soon enough, you can ollie as high as you jump. So, that'll be pretty hard, but sometime, I guess, if you try really hard,
Alright, so
you'll be able to ollie as high as you
in
jump.
motion, you want the back wheels in the crack, and then you just,
As you said.
but stick the landing, unlike me.
You're mad.
And then again,
I'm gonna not go in a crack this time.
and then one more time, and then we'll do it in slow motion so you can actually see the back wheels popping. Alright, that is going to conclude this week's episode or video. Please do go down, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It would very much please us. We're trying to get 100 subscribers.
Only have 21 right now.
Also, a huge shout out to Nomad for... That's where we got our boards. We got the trucks, the wheels, the graphics are absolutely amazing. And, as always, we do random stuff.